YouTube, what is going on? My name is Ryan. I own a clothing brand called NewBara. NewBara stands for Breaking New Barricades, getting over challenges, difficulties to get to your goals and achieving them. So no matter what barricades you're facing, challenges you're facing in life, you can overcome them, and that's exactly what NewBara is here for. But combining the streetwear in between it to make everything meet and make people connect and network and understand each other's struggles. So I just gave you more in-depth information about NewBara than I've ever gave on a YouTube video before, and I feel like it's very helpful because a lot of people don't understand or know what NewBara stands for. They think we're just a streetwear brand that puts out content, puts out good pieces and all that, but there is a good purpose and meaning behind our brand. So with that being said, I highly recommend that you have some type of mission statement and purpose behind your brand. But what we're here for today is I'm about to show you exactly how you should have your Shopify product pages set up. And currently I'm working on setting up my new drop, my camo sweatsuit, and then these sweatpants that I'm wearing right now because they're literally so comfortable. So if there's any left, go grab them in the link below, newbara.online, wherever you want to do. Okay, so now that we are in Shopify, now is what you're gonna do is you see like all the description here. First things first, you wanna get a good title. You wanna figure out your product title's name. So whatever the product is gonna be, for example, for us, it's the Relaxed Camo Sweatpants. That's what they are. And then you're gonna want to get a good compelling description. So usually, I'll just go ahead and show y'all if you don't already know. This is what our actual product descriptions look like for the most part. And of course we have like upsells and everything, which we will get into in another video. If y'all want to see that, let me know below. But so this is what our descriptions looked like previously and have looked like and still look like for most of the website. But I'm trying to get a lot more descriptive. So I went over to ChatGPT, got myself a good little description here. And I'm going to tweak it and edit it a little bit, but this right here kind of gives them like the first, like a brief rundown of exactly what the product is and how it fits and everything like that. And then you're gonna kind of want to get some bullet points with everything that like is important to the product. So for example, the fabric blend, we gave them that. The weight is gonna be another thing that is kind of important to people who actually care about clothes and sustainability. Another thing is gonna be like the functions of the product. So for our product, it's just 2 deep side pockets and then 2 back pockets. And then just adding this like little details right here to keep your item or your essential secure, that just like makes that person resonate and understand how utility the products are. This right here just makes the customer understand how much the pockets actually help them out, and then like the custom fit and all that is just very, very good. So attention to the details, good stuff like that. And then the true to size is another good thing that you want to have. So like if it's like a baggy fit or like a relaxed fit, then there you go, that's where you want to put that. And then I personally add the size chart in the description, so that way they don't have to click on anything to open a size chart or like anything like that. Nowadays, a lot of people do not know what their sizes actually are. So having something like this is good to have for those people who do know, but I also have seen a lot of AI, like virtual try-ons and all type of stuff like that. I personally am not using it or testing it at the moment. Maybe something I do down the road. If you guys want to see me set that up, let me know down below and I will to just try it out and show y'all how to do it. And then next up, you want to get some high quality photos. High quality photos are very, very important. For example, like we have the white backdrop and then of course the actual product itself. And then we have some on-body shots, which are also very, very important. You want to show the customer exactly what they're buying so they can see the detailed photos like this up close. Show them exactly what they're buying and what to expect and that the quality is there. Next up, you're gonna wanna add your category. The color is definitely optional. So you basically just click add variant. I can't do it right now because I haven't saved this. I guess I'll save it. But so basically if you wanna add like a variant, whatever, you'll just add that in here and it'll look a little bit different on your end. But that's basically how that works. Oh, you can add another option. So let's say if we want to do the fabric, blah, 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 but we're not doing that, so discard. And then yeah, so basically it'll group down here by either your color or your size, whatever your preference is. Then you want to apply your product price. Also, you want to apply the compare at price. So if you ever drop the price, one, you know what your retail was, so you'd never switch back and forth. And two, once you drop the price, let's say you do 50% off, it shows the customer that it's actually 50% off instead of just like that lower price. So they know that they're getting a discount rather than just being like, oh, it's this price. So it's definitely something you should do. If you have the option, set up subscription, go for it. And then all down here in your category meta fields, fill this in literally as much as you possibly can, because this will help with like all your SEO and just search terms like that. This is a custom thing that I have. So if you have meta fields, if you want to know how to do meta fields, let me know below, of course. And yeah, so this will basically be what it looks like whenever they type this in on Google or type in NewBara or your product name, whatever it is that they type in. This is exactly what it'll look like on a Google search. And yeah, I mean, that's really all that goes into making your product page. So for example, this is exactly how it looks. And there's a few buttons that aren't showing up right here and features that aren't showing up, but it has the space for it. But this is just because it's a preview and not a published product. So this is how it looks, which I think it looks really good and clean. It has literally everything. And honestly, ChatGPT is going to give you 90% of what you need. And then that other 10% is where you have to go in and like edit and tweak out like whatever, you need to. But yeah, that's literally your product page. This is a custom that I added onto my website. So if it's something that you want to add onto yours, I can do that for you. Just send me a DM on Instagram. But I think that literally covers how to set up your product and product page very quickly. If you guys have any questions or need to know anything else, let me know down below and I will be happy to share that with you. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Let me know below anything you want to see, and I'll see you on the next one.